Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Want to know what ACT Maths questions are in 2025 based on trends, test analysis and past papers? I have selected the most important topics and example questions that you must master to boost your ACT Maths score. Let's get started. Now the question number 1 is which function can generate all the values in table 2. Both tables are given. X value 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. F of x is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then x is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and g of x is equal to the 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So 4 options are given. G of x is equal to 10 raised to power x, x raised to power 10. G of x is equal to 10 raised to power x, g of x is equal to 10 by x, and the last one is g of x is equal to 10 into x. So the correct option for this is B option, that is g of x is equal to 10 raised to power x. So we will write the answer. So the correct answer will be g of x will be equal to 10 raised to power x. You will put different values of x and get the final answer. Now we will solve question number 2. Now question number 2 is what is the value of c when the graphs are the same for the both equation y is equal to 2x square minus 36x plus c and y is equal to 2 into x minus 9 whole square minus 18. And options are given 63, 99, minus 180 and 144. So the correct option for this is, you will write the answer is equal to the 144. Solve this by completing square method. So answer is 144. Now we will solve question number 3. Now the question number 3 is if y is equal to n plus square root of n and y is equal to 20, what is the value of small n? N is equal to 16, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 4 and n is equal to 5, or n is equal to 16 or n is equal to 20. So simply if you put n is equal to 16, so 16 plus square root of 16, that is 4. So 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. So the right answer is n is equal to 16, A option. So answer is n is equal to 16. Now we will solve the next question. Now the next question is which of the following is a solution to the 10x square minus x minus is equal to the 3. A option is minus 1 by 5, B is 3 by 5, C is minus 3 by 2 and D is 1 by 2. So if you put 3 by 5 in this, you will get 10 into 3 square, 9 by 5 square, that is 25, minus 3 by 5. So you will get equal to the so 18 minus 3 divided by 5. So 15 by 5, which is equal to 3. So this option is correct. So you will write the answer, that is 3 by 5. Now we will solve the next question. Now the next question is which of the following is solution of x square plus 4 which is equal to 6x. So minus 3 plus minus iota square root 14, minus 3 plus minus square root 5, 3 plus minus iota square root 14 or 3 plus minus square root 5. So we will solve this question. So apply the quadratic formula in this, you will get x square minus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0. So you cannot make the factors of this, that multiply give 4 and adding will give minus 6. So apply the quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b means plus 6 plus minus 6 square 36 minus 4 into AC 1 and 4. Divide by 2 of A, that is 2 of 1. So plus minus 6 plus minus 36 minus 16 is 20 divided by 2. So we can write 20 as 6 plus minus 2 square root 5 and 2. Now take 2 as common from this, you will get 3 plus minus square root 5. So answer will be this option, D option, that is 3 plus minus square root 5. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming new videos. In the next video, we will solve most important predicted question from the different sections like trigonometry, geometry and algebra 2. Stay tuned. Best of luck.